Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to speed dial number on Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press and hold on your background or wallpaper. This will bring up your home screen customization options where you can modify various elements of your phone's interface. Once the menu appears, tap on Widgets. Widgets are interactive tools that you can place on your home screen for quick access to specific functions, and in this case, we'll be using one to create a speed dial shortcut for faster calling. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several options. Tap on Browse. This will open up a complete list of all available widgets on your device organized by app category. Scroll through the list until you find Contacts and tap on it. The Contacts app offers several widget options that let you interact with your saved contacts directly from your home screen without opening the full app. Within the Contacts widgets, look for one labeled Direct Dial. This particular widget is designed specifically for creating speed dial shortcuts, allowing you to call your most important contacts with just a single tap. Once you've located it, press and hold the Direct Dial widget. Your screen will automatically switch back to your home screen view while you're still holding the widget. Now drag it to any open space on your home screen where you'd like the speed dial icon to live. Choose a spot that's easily accessible and convenient for you. When you've positioned it where you want it, release your finger to drop the widget in place. As soon as you release it, your phone will automatically open your contacts list, prompting you to select which contact you want to assign to this speed dial. Scroll through your contacts and tap on the person you want to set up for quick dialing. This could be a family member, close friend, or anyone you frequently call. After you select the contact, the widget will finalize its setup and appear on your home screen with that person's name and photo if available. Now, whenever you need to call that contact, simply tap the speed dial widget icon on your home screen. It will automatically initiate a phone call to that person without requiring you to open your dialer or search through your contacts manually. This feature is incredibly useful for reaching important people quickly, especially in urgent situations or when you're multitasking. And that's it. You've successfully created a speed dial shortcut on your Google Pixel home screen for instant calling. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.